So yeah, I left out one little bitty lock. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a perm rod set or a roller set, a curl set, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're going to be doing today. I'm debating on which rollers I'm going to use. They're pretty much the same size. Just the pink ones are slightly bigger than the yellow one. I got 10 packs of each of these. If you've seen my last haul video of the tools and products that I'm going to be using to style my SisterLoc. Not really looking forward to sleeping in these because I've heard they're really uncomfortable, but we shall see. But yeah, I'm going to start in the back. You hear the baby in the background. He's sitting down watching mommy do a YouTube video, right? Yes. But yeah, let me go ahead and just get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using this curling mousse by Loc'd Body. It's the milk and honey. So I'm going to be using this to set my curls in place. And then apart from that, I'm going to be spraying my hair with water. I really don't want to do more than 5 locks on a roller, so we'll see how that works out. All right, so I am done with the back part of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the top.
Mom.
I'm really loving how this came out. I don't even want to pick the curls out. Y'all know how I do after I do a curl set. I do not be wanting to pick the curls out. One, because I'd be scared that I'm gonna mess it up, and then two, because I be liking how it look once I take the rollers out. Like, I feel like this is a whole little vibe for me. I'm just gonna leave them in. Like, if you want to see what it's gonna be looking like picked out and raked out, you just gonna have to wait until the next video, because in this video right here, we just leaving it like this for this video. We are not picking out the curls today. We might pick them out tomorrow or the day after that, but as for now, we just gonna rock the hair just like this, unbothered, and basically just see how many days it will hold up and what kind of styles I can create with it just like this before we just go ahead and tear it all apart. Like, let's just leave it like this for a second. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smack that like button, share this on any of your social media platforms, and you know I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.